Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today only a very short video on Vorden and Lochem in the Netherlands. As always, you can find all the timestamps of the different locations in the description, so sit back, relax and enjoy this short video. That's it for my visit in Vorden and Lochem. I hope you liked the video, and of course if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel as more videos are coming. Tomorrow I will release Zutphen and comment on which city I should visit next. Thank you, until next time, bye!